Welcome to the first HEC Europe Symposium, a symposium which we hope will become over the years an annual event.
The aim of this symposium is both educational and constructive in ideas and proposals. Everyone is aware here, and the ministers in particular, that Europe is misunderstood and sometimes badly loved. It is in this context that it seemed appropriate that HEC, a large international school, organize and lead this exceptional debate between the principal European decision makers. Each year, we will organize a type of panel of experts such as this to debate a specific issue. For the first edition of this symposium, under the patronage of the French President of the Republic, we have chosen the theme, A Market for Citizens. First, let me briefly explain in which light we have chosen this theme. A market for citizens, with the big idea.
One of the things I think that struck us is that the benefits of competition and continued ability of Europe to compete in the world is so self-evident that it's somewhat surprising that it hasn't grasped the imagination of the citizens of Europe.
If we want to keep the social system of Europe for our 500 million inhabitants, we need to adapt and reform. It's not a question to discuss, it's a question to do now, and it's the right time.
Europe, I think, has to face this important issue of immigration. We can do that certainly also by taking into account the diverse situation of all our countries.
We conclude that we are in favor of stricter environmental and energy norms, especially on housing, more broadly on buildings, because buildings represent a significant part of CO2 emissions.